Most people think billionaires teach their kids how to make money. That is wrong. Billionaires first teach their kids how to not lose money. Because history proves one painful truth. Around 70% of wealthy families lose their wealth by the second generation. By the third generation, almost 90% are broke. So today, let's talk about something schools never teach. 5 secrets billionaires teach their kids to protect wealth from losing it. These are not motivational theories. These are real-life rules followed by the richest families on earth. Secret number 1. Money is a tool, not a reward. Middle-class parents often use money as a reward. Good marks. Take money. Good behavior. Take money. Billionaires never do this. They teach their kids that money is a tool to create value, not a prize for obedience. Take the example of Warren Buffett. Despite being one of the richest men in the world, he never handed free money to his children. Instead, he taught them that money must be assigned a purpose. If money doesn't solve a problem, grow something, or help someone, it is wasted. Buffett once said that leaving too much money to children can destroy their motivation, so he taught him early that wealth is something you manage, not something you consume. This lesson protects wealth because people who treat money as a reward usually spend it emotionally. People who treat money as a tool spend it logically. Secret number 2. Live below your means, even when you can afford more. This sounds simple, but it is the most powerful wealth protection rule. Most lottery winners go broke within a few years. Why? Because income went up, but discipline didn't. Billionaires teach their kids that lifestyle should grow slower than wealth. Look at the Rockefeller family. John D. Rockefeller was once the richest man on earth. Yet his family is still wealthy more than 100 years later. One reason: strict lifestyle rules. Rockefeller taught his children to track every expense, even small ones. He made them write what they earned, what they spent, and what they donated. The lesson was clear: control money, or money will control you. When kids grow up understanding restraint, wealth survives generations. Secret number 3. Never risk the base capital. This is one of the biggest differences between rich families and everyone else. Billionaires divide money into layers. Layer 1 is untouchable capital. This money is protected at all costs. Layer 2 is growth capital. This is invested carefully in assets. Layer 3 is risk capital. Only this portion is used for high-risk opportunities. Most people do the opposite. They risk everything on one opportunity. Take the example of the Rothschild family. For over 200 years, their core wealth was never exposed to unnecessary risk. They only risked profits, not the base. This is why billionaires survive crashes, wars, recessions, and pandemics. They teach their kids one golden rule. If you lose opportunity money, you can recover. If you lose base capital, the game is over. Secret number 4. Assets over income. Billionaires teach their kids that income is temporary, but assets are permanent. Salary stops when you stop working. Assets pay even when you sleep. Elon Musk didn't become wealthy because of salary. He became wealthy because of ownership. Bill Gates didn't protect his wealth through bank savings. He protected it through diversified assets like companies, land, and long-term investments. Billionaire kids are taught from a young age to ask one question: will this still pay me after 10 years? If the answer is no, it is not considered wealth. This mindset prevents money from being wasted on liabilities disguised as luxury. Cars, gadgets, and trends lose value. Assets compound. Secret number 5. Financial literacy before inheritance. This is the most important rule. Billionaires never give large money to kids who don't understand money. They teach finance before they transfer wealth. Mark Zuckerberg publicly stated that he won't leave massive wealth directly to his children. Instead, he wants them to learn responsibility, value creation, and discipline. The Vanderbilt family is a famous example of what happens when this lesson is ignored. They were once richer than most governments. Within a few generations, the entire fortune vanished. The children inherited money, but not financial intelligence. Billionaires understand something powerful: money without discipline accelerates destruction. So their kids learn budgeting, investing, taxes, risk management, and philanthropy early. Final thought: billionaires don't raise rich kids. They raise capable kids. Money is temporary. Mindset is permanent. If you teach a child how to protect wealth, money will always find its way back. This is why real wealth lasts generations. If this video made you think differently about money, you already learned something billionaires teach their kids early. This is Wise Talk, where wealth is not about money alone, but about wisdom.